Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so you don't chase ghosts. Check your iPhone iOS and the Accord's infotainment firmware, because mismatches block CarPlay. Once done, plug a genuine Apple Lightning cable into the passenger USB labeled for data, not the charging-only port, and unlock your phone. Make sure CarPlay is allowed in Settings General CarPlay and tap Trust when the Honda prompts. This establishes the handshake needed for the system to recognize your device. Next, you tackle the deeper connection issues. Restart both the iPhone and the Accord's infotainment unit to clear caches. This often restores the USB handshake. If problems persist, reset your iPhone's network settings or CarPlay preferences to remove corrupted pairings. Unpair the car from Bluetooth, then repair carefully, because Bluetooth conflicts can disrupt CarPlay routing. When troubleshooting, test a different Apple cable and try wired CarPlay first to determine whether the problem is the case. To finish, ensure your Accord's firmware is up to date. Many CarPlay bugs are fixed by OEM updates. If you can't perform a USB update yourself, schedule dealer service and bring a summary of what you tested, cables, ports, restarts, and a known good phone, so they reproduce the fault faster. If all else fails, consider a factory infotainment reset with backup of settings. One key troubleshooting tip: test a different iPhone to quickly isolate whether the issue is the car or your phone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.